Dear friends, welcome to the channel. And today we are making an all-time favorite snack called crispy chicken wrap. The method I will show you today is very unique. If you follow all the steps shown, your crispy chicken wraps are going to be better than all fast food restaurant chains. So watch the video to the end and enjoy. First, we will take 1 kilogram chicken strips and add 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Next, we will mix them together and marinate for 2 hours. While our chicken is being marinated, we will prepare our mixed salad. This will include sliced onions, sliced tomatoes, sliced cucumbers and red cabbage. Please mix as shown in the video. Next, we will prepare our chicken breading. We will take 3 cups of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of powdered salt. Please mix well so that the flour and the spices are properly mixed. We will now beat 2 eggs in 1/4 cup milk. Please dip the chicken in this mixture and place it on top of the breading. Once all the chicken is placed on top of the breading, we will scoop and toss from different directions. Please toss and scoop for 20 times so that the breading is evenly applied on all sides of the chicken strips. Please preheat the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and float the chicken strips one by one. I always use cholesterol-free oil so it's healthy to eat. For safety purposes, please float the chicken strips in forward direction. The total frying time for the strips to be used in our crispy chicken wrap is 5 minutes, in which 2 minutes are fried at high heat settings and 3 minutes at medium heat settings. Please stir the crispy chicken strips after 2 minutes. Please drain the chicken strips after 5 minutes and put them aside. The assembly of our crispy chicken wrap is very easy. Please follow the steps as shown in the video and you will have a wonderful crispy chicken wrap. While folding the wrap, please tuck the tortilla inside. By doing so, our crispy chicken wrap will be very firm and will not be flimsy. Here I am using a contact grill to toast and seal my crispy chicken wraps. You can also use a griddle pan to achieve the same results. Our crispy chicken wraps have come out very fine and they are delicious. These chicken wraps can be used as a main course or a snack. I hope you have enjoyed the video today. If you did, please leave us a feedback in the comment section. With this, it is goodbye from us for today. Please take care of yourself and your loved ones. And thanks for visiting our channel.